Okay, now joining us, Sonam Kapoor, who is the lead actress of Delhi 6. Sonam, thank you so much for joining us on the Indie TV Toyota.
She's on the phone. I was looking here, there and everywhere.
Sonam, you have to pardon us. Cyrus is here, so you can expect all sorts of mayhem over the next 5 minutes.
Sorry, Sonam, I thought you were entering the studio, so I'm looking left, right and center, and apparently you're on a phone. Anyway, hi. Sorry.
Okay. All right, Sonam.
Hi.
Sonam, you're part of the younger generation. Do you think the younger generation of film stars is going to be more conscious about the need to protect the environment?
I think we are becoming more aware, and I think it'll be nice to actually be more conscious of what we're doing to our world, because eventually our kids and our grandkids and all will be living. So we need to take care of our environment.
Okay, and what do you think you can do?
Do you know I'm echoing?
There's a slight echo. No, you may have to live with it.
You're echoing there, not here.
One second. There's an echo here.
That's me talking.
Sonam, what do you think you can personally do to make a difference?
I think by giving my time and making people more aware, I think I can do as much as I can. By being a part of this, I'm doing something. So I think it's just being an aware citizen and taking care of the environment in our own little way.
Sonam, I'm a big fan of your father's. Can you get me his autograph? I really like Slumdog Millionaire. I thought he was fantastic.
He's in London.
He's in London. Email karke kar do.
He's in London right now, but I will get an autograph for you.
Thank you so much, Sonam. One more question.
Email से autograph आएगा? नहीं आ सकता.
हो सकता है. अब तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. As long as we are not destroying the environment. Is email bad? Is email bad?
Email is very good.
Email is very good. Female is very good too, and there's a beautiful female.
No, it's not at all bad. Not very good. Yeah.
I won't get to the female part.
Sonam. Forgive him, Sonam, he knows on what he's okay. Sonam, hang on, let me get back to some serious stuff. Actually, you have no doubt seen, when you see Slumdog Millionaire and you see all those scenes in the slums and you see all the, what also strikes you in addition to the poverty is the sheer amount of dirt and filth that is around there in the slums. And I think part of what we are trying to say today is, let's just try and clean up India a little. There's no reason for India to be as dirty a country as it seems to be. Is that something which you think is a very important message to send out?
Absolutely. I mean, there has been, you need to clean your own home before you do anything, because a clean home is what gives you a cleaner mind, and that's the only way we can progress.
Starting from home. Okay. Fair enough.
So
I think it's important to be neat and tidy.
Okay. Sonam, any tips? We are trying to collect a set of eco tips, what people can do. Any other suggestions that you would have to make for what people can do?
I think it's to cut down on traveling too much in your cars. Try and cycle as much as you can from one place to another. My dad does that all the time. Also, I think you should stop using too many air conditioners. Use a lot of air conditioners. I think we should stop using air conditioners. I mean, it's a small things, you know. Recycle and not use plastic.
Sonam, sorry to interrupt, but I just want to point out, on this show we have featured an environmental hazard many times. You perhaps haven't seen it because it came in late night, again early morning. And it's something close to you. You can help us get rid of this environmental hazard. The name of the hazard is Cyrus Sahukar. What can you do to help us make this world safer for everybody by getting rid of that menace, Sahukar, that wild beast? Go ahead.
You can't do that. He's one of my closest friends. What will I do?
Is he your Saheli?
He's my Saheli. Sai, you're my Saheli.
Okay, so this Sai is not your Saheli. I'm from the opposite gender for sure. That Sai you're saying is a little questionable. No, but thank you so much, Sonam. Thank you so much for talking to us. And I hope you inspire a lot of people to do the right thing. And now it's time, Sonam, for you to tell everybody to take a break. Because I'm tired. Sonam?
Please, everybody, take a break and be aware. Yes?
Thank you. Check will come later.